Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube apps in a PC. Means how you can create its shortcuts on a desktop. So let's get started. It's simple and easy. First of all, you need to open a browser you have. So I have a Google Chrome, so I'm going to open a Google Chrome as you can see. So for installing a YouTube app, so just simply open a YouTube on a Google Chrome. If you have a shortcuts here, so just click on it. If you have not a shortcuts here, so just search here youtube.com and click enter. Now you can see YouTube has been opened. Now simply on the right corner you can see three dots, so just click on a three dots and you can see here save and share options, and you can see now install YouTube. So just click on install YouTube and now you can see it has been installed. Now just come back to a desktop and you can see its shortcuts here, so you can just click on it and YouTube will be open. So by this way you can simply install its shortcuts. So hope you guys like the video and thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more.